Hi guys, what is going on? My name is Will and welcome back to another equipment video on the channel. So it's been a year now, well just over a year since I first introduced you to my big video camera, which is currently recording this video. So yeah, and it's been about a year and a half since I introduced you to the smaller video camera that I was using. Now I've been using that and yeah, and it's alright, but I'm looking for something a little bit kind of closer to the big video camera, with like all of the zoom and stuff. Yeah, but also smaller, so I can put it in my bags and carry it around and stuff like that. So without further ado, without spoiling too much, we're gonna open this box that I have in front of me. So that is right guys, I have got myself a brand new smaller video camera. So this is a Canon Legeria. It's Legeria HFR76. And there you have it. Right, so we're going to have a quick little look around here. So this is the bag that I've been given. It's a nice little Tenko to put it in. Yeah, it's got lovely pockets and stuff like that. So that's really good. Obviously a charger, can't forget that. It's mains powered, this one only. So there you are. Right, so let's have a little look at the camera. So, if we have a little look, what do we have here? We've got a battery. Let's just open this thing up. Let's have a little look what we've got here. So, it's quite bright, but yeah, hopefully you guys can actually see that. That's better in there. So, what we've got is we've got SD card, so that just flicks in and out like that. That's good. So you've got on and off, that's playback there. You've got zoom on the top. Obviously on the front you've got a lens cover, so just do that to open it up. 57 zoom. Happy days. Let's have a little look at this. So hopefully you guys can see the camera. There we go. So there's the camera, and lovely little bit of a zoom. So yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of a play with this and see. Let's play back and see how that goes. But yeah, very happy with this so far. So yeah, there's the stop start button anyhow. So yeah, it's time to have a little go with this, and yeah, just see how we get on. So yeah, lovely little bit of stuff on there. It's very bright today, but yeah, that is a little look at the camera. So let's have a little look at some of the footage when I first started.